So today I'm working on a 2008 Yamaha Apex. The weather is getting a little bit warmer now, so it's having an overheating issue at idle, so I'm suspecting the coolant fan here. But we'll take a look. It's only got 6,500 miles on it. It's fairly new. It's 14 years old, so anyways, we'll take it apart and we'll see if that fan's working. So I pulled the right side panel off here and the lower trim piece here. This part here, that goes right there over the fan. There's just 3 Phillips screws that you gotta remove. And then now you have access to the fan. So we're gonna want to measure power, see if there's power going to the fan. So there's a boot right here. I'll just lift that up. Under it there'll be a connector, this one right here. So we're gonna take our meter and we're gonna back probe those 2 pins right there, and we'll see if we're getting voltage to the fan, and that'll determine whether the fan motor's bad or if it's an other electrical issue. So now I've got my meter back probed on the connector there. So what we're going to do, we're going to go into diagnostics mode. So I'm going to put the key in, turn it 1 click, and now I'm going to press and hold select and reset, and I'm going to pull up on this red button here and hold select and reset for 8 seconds. There we go. Now that's diagnostics mode, D1. So that's what we want. So we're going to press and hold select and reset for 2 seconds. There we go. Now we're going to look for D51. So we're going to go up by pressing select. That's D51 right there. So now on the left hand side, the hand warmers, once I press low, the computer's should send voltage to that fan, and we're going to verify that by using the meter. And like I said, I'm back probed on the connector there. So I'll press low once. So now it's pulsing the voltage to that connector. So we're going to look at our meter. 12 volts. It's giving it a pulse. So if the fan worked, it would pulse on and off right now. So I have a dead motor. So I'm gonna get a new motor and then we'll see. That should fix it. Alright, I got another motor in there. So we'll go back in that diagnostics mode. D1. I'll go to D51. There we go. She's working. So all you do now to get out of that test mode is just press the red button and she'll go back to normal. There you go. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and it's a nice simple fix.